Good afternoon to everyone. I am Dr. Rekha Kumari, Professor and Head, Department of Biochemistry, Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Patna. The invitation letter from this institute was received by our principal, who sent the letter to me because he was knowing that I am leading for the initiation of NAAC accreditation of our institute. So taking that letter, I went to our director who has assigned me this duty, and I told sir whether I should go or not. He told, madam, you must have to go, because I think 1 month back he attended management program in IIM Ahmedabad for 25 days, and he explained his experience that since morning to evening I was there for 25 days, and it was really very interesting but difficult also to sit in that age from morning to evening like a student. But after that also I continued there. So I will suggest that even you see 1% improvement in your gain of knowledge, then you must go. Then I told sir, I want your permission to take few more candidate of that committee to go there. But due to some reasons, everyone was busy, so myself and Dr. Sweta decided to come here. So we reached on 22nd to Jaipur and came here to attend this program. I will tell that this program is really very, very informative, and especially it was very useful for us, because we want to do or start application for NAAC accreditation. And all the lectures were very crisp and very informative, whatever best can be done in the very short time, because it is a very extensive process and it will need many more classes like this for us, like novice candidate for this accreditation. But after all, I got a very good awareness and knowledge about it. And I hope in future also, sir, I will contact you. Maybe sometimes my question will be silly because you are an expert and I am a novice. But as I have to do it, I will contact you. And one request will be from our side, because we are from far distant place and it becomes very, very expensive for us to travel for 2-3 days of that type of workshop. So some consideration for at least accommodation inside the campus, that will be a very favorable thing for us. And after all the speakers and all the participants were very cooperative, very knowledgeable. So I wish many more this type of events should be organized in future also, for the benefit of others also. Thank you very much, all the participants, and you also, sir. Thank you.
Hello to all. I'm Dr. Anil Maheshwari. I'm working as a Dean for Accreditation basically in Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune. Why I'm telling you? Because I'm working from last 1 year as a Dean for NAAC. I have gone through SSR, benchmarking, SOPs, but reading between the lines is very important. That is what actually we all are able to understand here, what exactly is there in between the lines. And all resource persons were really helpful for us to understand the things. Especially I will say Honorable VC sir, the insights which he has given in all aspect, right from criteria 1 to 7, were really very nice. Such type of workshops definitely in future also we will expect that you will arrange, and we would like to attend. With this, thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone, and special thanks before I intercede to all the speakers, and of course the kind of wisdom this room brings in. So I'm really very thankful to people all here. So I'm Dr. Namita Pragya, and I am IQAC Director at University, and I'm also Deputy Dean Academics with the Faculty of Management Sciences. So ours is a very niche kind of university. We impart niche programs. We all know that the group, the Adani group, which backs it up, it's a giant in the infrastructure sector, be it energy, be it transport, or be it the urban or the real estate. And our courses focus on those very niche, the business ventures which our group takes up. And this is so said that he's been involved in the NAAC process. It's been an year for him. It's been just a month for me. Yeah, a very new initiative taken up by the university. And I'm trying to, go to as much as workshops as possible. So here at this invite A, I actually put that forward. There is this for the medical related universities and colleges. So my provost said, yeah, sumo dekho. And trust me, I don't think it makes a lot of difference because the basics actually remain the same, be it any kind of a college or any particular program or course you focus on, the basics remain the same. And this was actually a very informative session. For I have a lot to digest. I'm still digesting, and I'll meet on my way, and maybe once I'm back. And I had, like others, I had not many questions rather, because I just said, you have questions only once you start doing and implementing it. Now you just begin. I have no questions. So I will have questions now, and I'm looking forward to the next, maybe the workshop coming up. Then I might have many number of questions. So I'm really very thankful to the entire group over here. Thank you so much. And yes, one input here. So the feedback form which had come to me. So I had mentioned that the financial management part was skipped. But now, this feedback form I had filled before I took up the session. But then after that, I just rectified it. So kindly ignore that. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. And my name is Gitansh Goyal. I am an assistant professor at Apex University. My core is cybersecurities and information technologies. First of all, I would really like and love to thank our OSD sir, Dr. Ankit Gandhi sir, to give me this opportunity to be present here in this feminist and fabulous area. Oh wow. God. Yeah. Okay. So, since a day before yesterday, हम जब से इस campus के अंदर आए हैं and since we started learning about these things, NAAC and all, it really enhanced the views, the aspects, and the knowledge of me at least, and I hope with everybody else here. So the main focus of this workshop, as mentioned in the title as well, quality sustenance and enhancement of higher education institutes. So the most important part for each and every institute, may it be a school, university, or whatever it is, to maintain and sustain a quality and to ensure that the future of the students who are participating in the university is not taken for granted. So to learn and to educate ourselves to how to improve it and to how to maintain the university in the ranks of the world and the global universities, to take ourselves from the ashes and to raise to the skies is what being a crux of this particular workshop, I guess. And I believe that we have learned something. So I'm really thankful for all present here to give us this opportunity and to enhance us with their educational feedbacks. Thank you so much.